Welcome, everyone. This is Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com with the reveal and inspiration for our latest card kit called Home Sweet Home. This is a really fun kit with things that you can send to your friends and family since we're all staying home so much more. The stamp set features a really nice long row of houses in the bottom, and those are perfect for slimline cards, which are such a hot trend right now. You can also use them for your regular size cards. There's a lot of greetings with this as well, and also that cute little airplane with its banners that you can put together and create a scene. And keeping with the sending cards theme, we're including some dies from CZ Design. They come put together and I clip them apart with my clippers. They are 3 dies and they have postage type edges. And the large one's really large enough to put some of those houses inside to create a fun postage stamp for your cards. We've included a fun item, and this is a mini jar of Cosmic Shimmer Gilded, and this is the color Avocado. It looks quite white, but you just dip your finger in. You can see how luminescent this is. I'll spread it onto my finger, and it does give a little bit of a green sheen. We have a card that I'll show you later that's using this in a background, and it's really gorgeous for an effect in a sky. And now for something super special. So, to introduce you to Speckled Egg, if you haven't gotten it already, we're including a mini cube size, and this is really hot off the press. It's not available. I don't even have it yet to show you, so I'm just showing you a brown cube size, but it will be in that Speckled Egg color. So, you can add this to your Tim Holtz Mini Distress ink pads ahead of everybody else. The printed papers for this kit come from Waffle Flower, and this is called Special Delivery. They are 6 by 8 inches and they are single-sided. So 6 by 8 gives you pretty much 2 card fronts, and you can see some of these sheets do have full pieces that you can cut in half and create a card. So the theme is all in that postage. It has some clouds and birds. It also has a few sheets that have flowers. And this is a really fresh yellow and it matches our catkin ink color. So these two you can cut apart and just make a whole card front, as well as this next sheet. And it also has that postage that goes around those little special sentiments in the center. So really fun clouds, also postage backgrounds, flowers, and 12 sheets in total, single-sided, 6 by 8. To encourage you to send out some cards, we're including 7 envelopes. We have cotton candy, soft navy, 2 of the bright white, and those do have that peel it to stick 'em type closure, so you don't have to lick them to stick them. And we have 2 of our metallic silver. Those also have that same pull tab adhesive, so it's an easy closure. And then we've also included one of our mini white envelopes. And finally, we have 4 cardstocks for you. I'll start with the Simon Cotton Candy, Simon Smoke, Nina 80-pound White, and then finally Simon Soft Navy. And up next, I have some inspiration to share using all the products from this kit. I'll start off with this beautiful slimline card that Cindy Norberg made, and I really want to focus on the sky part where you can see that gilding that she put up in the top. So everything was white embossed onto a watercolor background and then the gilding added after. I've also created a slimline card and I stamped in black and then I cut out my little houses and airplane and my message and popped those up for a little extra dimension. Cindy Norberg has another card where she cut apart some paper with the birds and the letter in the center, and she used that message all in the shape of a heart and then used some of that yellow paper for her background. Heather Rue stamped several of the houses and stacked them on top and colored in only one of the houses in the bottom, and then her message shows that it is Wi-Fi. I thought that was really cute. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration for our card kit Home Sweet Home. Be sure to check out our blog post. We have additional samples for you. I have the link in the description box below. And as always, thanks so much for watching.